be ending because of Rachna. It will be famous.
You become famous, huh?
Yeah, he became famous in my vlogs.
Yeah.
In hometown, all are seeing my videos.
Oh, they are like, Hari, I want a selfie with you. Please.
When I went home, they are taking selfies also. I am very excited. I am very excited.
Don't trust Hari Krishna, guys. He's such a liar. He told me he'll take me to his hometown, but now he's going alone.
And leaving
Because
us
of date
alone.
issue.
Date is
Yes, friend.
Friends. ನಿಂದೆ ತಕ್ಕೋ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Sunday.
because Hari Krishna is not there. No?
Yes.
No one like
We are only left over with 3 days. Let us enjoy.
Now we will go with Vaishu. Yes, Vaishu.
Hi guys.
Bye guys.
No words to say.
ಮಾತೇ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಗೈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಲೈಕ್ ಎಲ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ
I am meeting
half an hour before.
Wait.
ಇವ್ನು ಇದನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಗೈಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಫ್ರಾಡ್
But he don't know Kannada.
he don't know
I know
Kannada.
Kannada, but I don't know that fraud word.
Most wanted person in DBSM. Come on. See his face clearly.
ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆ ಗೈಸ್ ಮನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಹುಚ್ಚಾಟ
ನೀವು ಬಂದು ನನ್ನ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು
Let's go.
We all miss you.
He's listening to class. I'm answering ma'am.
This is our
Guys, first time
now he will run like anything.
guys, I call was the guys.
Hey, Madhukar. Once.
He went up.
Comfortable with you.
ಇವಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬಂದೋಳೆ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಹರಿಕೃಷ್ಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೇಮಲ್ಲೂ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್
Hey.
ಬಾಯ್